we used Guardian Roofing to take care of our roof. It started in that we knew we had moss on our roof, and so we were taking estimates. Ryan came out to do an estimate for us. He was very thorough. He explained the process. He took pictures of our roof and showed us the condition, told us about the process that they use, much different than other roofing companies in that they didn't use like a power washer so to disturb the roof and cause some harm. It was a much more gentle process. They were very good. When the crew came out, they did an absolutely wonderful job. And afterwards, they showed us the work that they did. They even included pictures, so they showed the areas that they cleaned and corrected, as well as they cleaned our gutters, which was not planned, but they took care of that as well. So they did an awesome job. I definitely would recommend Guardian Roof to friends, family, and our neighbors.